I'm going to be making a chick, a little baby chick. I extruded the feet, the nose, and the eyes, and I made this scraper so that it will look like it's kind of a shell and then the chick on top. I got the idea, well, I saw another soap maker, and the name is eluding me at the moment, but I'll mark it, I'll go back and find her name, who did a design like this, and I thought it was adorable. So I made a scraper to fit my Heritage tall and skinny molds, and this one works fine. This one, it doesn't work, because this one is smaller. So I measured this, made a new scraper, and this mold is not square. It gets smaller at this end, and even this one doesn't really fit. So we'll see how this goes. But yeah, I'm gonna go make my white, then I will embed my feet and do the scraper, and then I'll do yellow and do the nose and the eyes, and hopefully it will turn out cute. So stay tuned. That's cute. There's a few things I would change. I think I would like this to be a little bit lower so there's a bit more chick and a little less egg, but otherwise it's cute. My eyes shifted apart a little bit. That's okay. Oh, look at that. I said I'd put the feet further down and just make the egg a little shorter. But otherwise, I think it's cute. I think it captures the essence of what I was going for. So yeah, I will take it. I said definitely have to work with some placement of the embeds, but that's okay. The idea comes through, and I think you get the idea of a chick. Let me know what you think.